our learning target today, I will be able to compare and order rational numbers. First, we want to start by defining what a rational number is, and that is any number that can be made by dividing one integer by another. The word comes from the word ratio. Strategies for comparing and ordering rational numbers. First, look for any negative numbers. That is because your negative numbers will be the smallest. Second, you can use a number line to assist you. This is only a suggestion. You do not have to actually draw a number line, but it can be used to assist you. Always read your directions. Sometimes you'll be asked to order numbers from least to greatest. While other times you might be asked to order from greatest to least. And those directions will make a difference. You can change fractions to decimals if this helps, or vice versa when comparing fractions and decimals. And what that means is you can certainly change a decimal to a fraction if that assists you in ordering as well. Okay, so the first thing I want to recognize in this example is it tells me to go from least to greatest. Because of that, I want to look for my negative numbers first. I see a negative 8.2 and a negative 2 1/2. Negative 8.2 is smaller because it has a larger negative number. Then I have negative 2 1/2. The other two numbers that I have left are 4/10 and 2 4/10. I have a 0 in the whole number and I have a 2 in the whole number. 0 is smaller, therefore that number comes next, and then 2.4 would be the greatest number in that list. Next example, this one I am ordering from least to greatest. Therefore I look for any negative numbers. The only negative number in my list is negative 3 3/9. Now I look for the whole numbers in front of the decimals. 0 is smaller, then 2, and then 9.5. In my last example, I'm going from greatest to least. So I want to ignore the negative numbers first. I'm looking at the whole numbers of my decimals next. I see both of them have a 0, so that's not going to tell me anything. Then we have a 5 and a 9. 9 is larger, so I'm going to put that one first. Then 5. And now I will look for the negative numbers. I have a negative 5 and a negative 7, and when we work with negative numbers, the larger the negative number, the smaller its value, so therefore negative 5 1/9 would come next, and negative 7.1.